Here's how to scrape Spotify tracks without any coding knowledge. For this, we'll use the Spotify scraper from Nifty.Codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press on the extension. Then press Extract Tracks. As you can see, we extracted the tracks in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. And the more you scroll down, the more you will extract. Once you're done, press Add to Export List. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as CSV. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted. You can also customize the data however you want. To do this, go back to the page. Then, scrape the data again. Now, press on the extension again. Then press Customize Fields. In here, you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. Once you're done, press Save. Then press Export. After exporting, here is our new customized data.